In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of Shopify and Gelato to streamline your print-on-demand business operations. This guide is perfect for those looking to expand their business reach without sacrificing time or resources. To start, we need to head over to the Shopify website. Shopify is an incredibly robust platform that allows you to build an online store and sell products worldwide. It's especially useful for beginners and experts alike, due to its intuitive interface and extensive set of tools that can help get your e-commerce business off the ground. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll see the option to log in or sign up if you haven't already done so. If you're new to Shopify, take a moment to set up your account. They offer various free trial options that can help you explore the features before committing fully. Now that we're in Shopify, the next step is to navigate to the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find a multitude of applications designed to enhance your store functionality. In the search bar, type Gelato Print on Demand. Gelato is an app that simplifies the entire process of producing and delivering high-quality products to your customers. The advantage of using Gelato lies in its efficiency. It uses a global network of local producers to print products closer to your customers. This means faster delivery times, reduced shipping costs, and a positive impact on sustainability since products don't have to travel long distances. Once you've found the Gelato app in the results, click on it and then hit the Install button. Installing Gelato enables you to seamlessly integrate its powerful tools with your Shopify store. You'll benefit from their extensive software tools designed to help you scale your business with ease, all backed by round-the-clock customer support. Whether it's midnight or lunchtime, Gelato's support team is available to assist you, ensuring that any queries or issues you encounter are resolved quickly. After the installation is complete, your Shopify store is now equipped with Gelato's efficient print-on-demand services, and you'll experience a smoother workflow as you expand into new markets. This integration also offers peace of mind, knowing you're equipped to meet customer demands swiftly, whether they're across town or across the ocean. And there you have it. Your store is now set up with Gelato's print-on-demand services, putting you on the path to growing your business effortlessly. Remember, a successful online store isn't just about great products, but also about efficient operations and excellent customer service. With Shopify and Gelato working together, you have the tools you need to deliver on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.